my loves, welcome to this video. I just wanted to say that this was filmed back in 2022, but I finally got to editing it after so long. In this video I was in France in my old childhood home. We walked a lot, played some games and explored. We actually didn't have Wi-Fi, so we got to do other activities, and at the same time I was trying to revise for my UK cat using 4G. We're going back this August, but with some family friends, so look out for another video. I hope you enjoy this video, and as always, take care of yourself. So we've just been scootering up the hill. I'm literally burning up. Haven't seen you. Pyrenees here. Maya.
Raya.
Maya. This is the state of the house.
Look at my bite.
Oh, and we keep getting bitten by
That.
tiger mosquitoes.
That.
And then we found a game. My record is 4 balls. There's a 6.
Here's my record, guys.
It's a bit of a tactics game. It's a solo game. Nice. Record's 4 for her too.
Oh, guess what? I learned how to float. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news.
Yeah. We took the long way like idiots. Serious business.
Come.
People were just waiting for my dad to come back. It is currently
He's sleeping. I thought we were gonna play.
7:02 and we said he should pick us up at 6. We're just waiting around my old primary after going to town, having ice cream.
Bonjour.
And we're gonna enter the school, so we're gonna break in, and then we're gonna go through every school we went to. Yeah.
Je m'appelle Angèle et mon paps.
Making food. These are the spicy sausages with baguettes, of course.
So low. I am actually.
Not joking.
I don't want to burn.
What's it get?
You need to lock it. You need to lock it.
Oh, they are quite. Oh, no, I'm getting some of the spice. Oh, nice. Can you get a bit? Let me
She sent me first.
take this here.
And we're gonna watch Arthur and the Minimoys.
Really good.
A minute. Okay, on a mission. Mission through the washing. Through the forest. Getting a stick is hard. We got some. Scaring the viewers. That's our entrance over there. It's the house made it, right? We're all sweating buckets. We found a little square bunker looking thing. She's with her.
Walking.
Yeah. And we've just gone through all this mess because we took the wrong entrance. I look crazy because I have hay fever and my nose is dripping like mud. We're on a walk. But we're going down a really steep hill. She has her walking sticks ready.
Look, I'm already walking on the road. A steep hill, actually. You know why? Because I'm trying to go down, and my feet, right, my toes, I feel like they're going to make a hole soon on my shoes. I got a stitch. I can't do nothing because this. Hey, how far is this? We're going to go back up there, you know.
That's what we walked down. They did to the France over there. Not there, sorry, there. We're gonna go back home now. Look how steep. I'm already out of breath.
Same.
A third of the way. I'm already dying. Ross is all the way up there. And we're all the way down here. Let's keep going. We finally reached Flacra. And we're both dead. Defo cardio of the day. But yes, we're watching Chris Jackson now. So and then we're gonna play games tonight because we found loads of games. So this is the setup, old TV. We're playing, I forgot what the name is.
Come on. My turn again.
Really getting into it.
3! 1, 2, 3! In the way.
Wait, was I there? I was there.
Hey! No!
Oh yeah, I was here.
Yeah, I thought so. Trying to be the safe so the camera caught it all.
How about you see it?
Just right behind you then.
That was 5! That's 4! 6! It's just not you yet! You're not allowed to do that. You're not allowed to do that. Roll again. Roll again! You roll when it's your turn.
You don't roll it.
Guess whose birthday it is?
My birthday.
It's her birthday, she's 21. We're making pancakes. That's pesto, pasta. This is the stack of it.
Pesto tagliatelle pasta.
We're going out later and we're going to have a shower because we're nasty rats.
I love cheese.
Will do. This is the view. How are we feeling? We've been walking for a while.
I want to go to the city of
Her dreams.
we're in a fantasy role playing. That's the scroll, a map scroll
To her lost city. And this is the bridge we have to cross. One says she is...
What a treacherous journey. You must toss a coin to the river. That's the Great Mage's castle. This is the golden trees.
Oh my god, the dwarf of the bridge. We have to toss a coin.
What shall you want?
What do y'all need? She's going to read out our prophecy.
The destiny.
You have no prophecy.
We can't.
Has come to.
Just die, Angel. Just die. I was like, where's my
Present.
Oh yeah.
She might be. Oh, she will live there.
Oh, it is rising. Oh, it is the moon after all.
Here's a thug we picked up from the street. Here's a rat we saved. Here's my work I detest. And here's me.
Early on. Ta-da!
Like Mr. Crabby's got this.
Whoa.
領域展開
All the way to here.
Oh, I thought it was
You're crazy.
What is this now?